Hello everyone. We are actually on our way home. The van is still not fixed and could take at least another month. They have to get a special axle made that's specially for Avan. So we decided to go home, and we were thinking we'd have to go back to Mudgee to get the van. At this point in time, we're not sure. And we did do some video and photos of Mudgee, so this is what this video will be about. So this is Louisa Lawson, mother of Henry Lawson, who was a poet in her own right. And a major worker in the suffrage movement in New South Wales. Louisa. We were hoping to see platypus in this river, but none came to visit us. This is in St John the Baptist Anglican Church in Mudgee. Beautiful stained glass windows. Glory to God in the highest. We're in Mudgee and in the park, lovely parks around Mudgee. There's sculptures in the garden. This is the first one.